Hey guys, welcome back to my baking video. I haven't done one for a while because I got a bit busy with school. Today I'm making Pølsehorn. Small sausage wrapped in bread dough. You will need flour, eggs, milk, sausages, yeast and sugar, melted butter. This is flour. Put the yeast and the sugar into the milk and then give it a stir. And then leave it to the side for 5 minutes. Can you see how it's all bubbled up? It looks so poppy and squiggly. I just want to poke it with my fingers. It looks like slime. I just want to play with it. So let's pour it in. There goes yeast. There we go. And then I'm going to crack it into this one, just in case we get shells. Oh! Stick my thumbs in and then pop. Oh! There's one shell. And then I will pour the egg in there. Shell. And then one. And then I'm going to mix in some soft butter. I washed it. And now we have to leave it for 20 minutes. So it's finished now, and now we are going to stop the machine. Can you see how the dough is not connected to the bowl anymore? So I have some oil in this bowl, and I'm going to put some on my hands, and then I'm going to take it out of the bowl. Just like I'm washing my hands. And then slide it off. And then take it out and then put it in the oil bowl. Now we need to leave it somewhere warm for it to proof. Double in size. Korean wrap as well. It's finished proving. Look how much it's grown. Take off the paper. Can you hear it? Oh, it feels amazing. It's so soft. And I also added a bit of flour just to not make it that sticky. Now I'm going to cut off pieces of 29 grams until I have no more left. $21. So it's not perfectly at 29, but it's at 28, which is good. 18. And you can sometimes get these bubbles in though. 33. $29. Now we have all the balls and they're all the exact same weight. And now I'm going to take the balls, roll it out into a snake. And it also has to be really thin. Otherwise then you'll just have one big lump of dough on one side and then skinny on the other side. Until it's like this. And then you take a sausage. These are chicken sausages, but you can use any. Wrap it around. I would suggest you ask an adult for help because these can take very long to do. And while you're rolling it, spread your hands out as well until it's like this. Take another sausage, wrap it around again, and then you just have to keep on doing that until all the sausages and dough pieces or stuff are gone. And the last one. Now they need to proof for another hour. They're done proving. Look how big they are. Wait, look at this. So squishy. So now let's give them an egg wash. This is going to be delicious. Last one. So now I'm going to take some spice and then sprinkle some on a few just to give a little bit more flavor. And so they will taste yummy. The spice I'm using is tokarashi, like that. Now they just need to go in the oven with a bunch of ice cubes. They're fresh out of the oven and they look delicious. So I'm going to try one. Set this one to the side and then take this one. And they're also really soft inside. Excellent. So thanks for watching my baking video, guys, of this Pølsehorn. And make sure to watch my other baking videos. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye, connect the hearts.